Welcome back to the Academy. In this lesson we're going to be talking about how to live stream video into your members lounge for your Sanctuary community. In order to do this, we're going to head down to the members lounge. This is where we're going to find the information that we're going to need in order to stream directly into the live members lounge. For this particular lesson we're using the Zoom platform to live stream into our members lounge. Once you've set up your live stream, if you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see a live streaming option. Click on Configure Live Stream Settings. Once you click Configure Live Stream Settings, you're going to be asked to add a live stream service to your streaming platform, which is Zoom. Now we need to go back to Sanctuary. We need to copy the live stream key and paste it into the streaming key input box on the streaming service. Next thing we need is the stream URL, so we're going to copy the stream URL by hitting the copy stream URL button, and we're going to paste this into the stream URL input box. The live streaming page URL is the actual URL of your members lounge. So if we go back to Sanctuary, click on the members lounge, copy the URL, and then paste it into this input box. Now we have the three pieces of information that we need to add the live stream service to our Sanctuary members lounge. We hit save and our meeting is now set up. The final step, when you're ready to host the meeting, open Zoom, click on meetings, select your meeting. Once the broadcast has started in Zoom, click the More button and click Live on Custom Live Streaming Service. After a few moments, depending on your streaming service latency, your live video will begin to stream in your members lounge. A red live notification will appear in your menu bar to let your community know that you're now streaming live, and your community members can now engage in the chat with you and the other community members in the right hand side chat. That's how you live stream a video into the members lounge using Zoom. In the next video we're going to cover how to live stream a video into your members lounge using OBS. So I'll see you then.